Good morning, friend. I hope all are fine. Now we have completed lesson number 4. Now we have started new chapter. That is one new chapter we want to start today. That is lesson number 15. આજે આપણે કયો એક લેસન સ્ટાર્ટ કરવા માંગીએ છીએ 15th લેસન સ્ટાર્ટ કરવા માંગીએ છીએ. I am explain mostly in English, but today I am try to explain in one word, mostly use Gujarati. તમારા માટે થઈને ઘણા લોકોનો પેરેન્ટ્સનું એવું કહેવાનું છે કે સર ગુજરાતીમાં કરાવો, તો એના રિફરન્સમાં આજે થોડું ડિસ્કસ કરું છું, બરાબર. સો પહેલાં તો અગેન કે ઇન ધીસ લેસન વોટ વી આર ડુઈંગ, આપણે આ લેસનની અંદર શું કરવાનું છે તો કે ઓલરેડી વી હેવ ઇન 9th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 9thની અંદર આપણે સ્ટડીડ અબાઉટ ધ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટલ ઓર ઇમ્પેરિકલ પ્રોબેબિલિટીઝ. તો ડિસ્કસ પહેલાં તો ચેપ્ટર જે છે દેટ ઇઝ ચેપ્ટર નંબર 15. ઇટ હેઝ ઓનલી 4 માર્ક્સ વેટેજ, એનું વેટેજ 4 માર્ક્સનું છે. And already we are discussing chapter number 9th, that is probability. Probability નો પહેલો મતલબ છે, what is the meaning of probability? તો have a chance. Probability નો મતલબ થાય have a chance. જે ચાન્સ છે એના રિફરન્સમાં we can say it is a probability. તો today we have to first read the related with the 9th standard. We have discussed an experimentally of tossing a coin 1000 times, in which the frequency of the outcomes work as follow. કેટલી વાર એ ટોસ કર્યું છે? 1000 ટાઈમ. તો 1000 ટાઈમ ટોસ કર્યું તો head will become 455 and tail will come 545. એને ટોસ કર્યું તો how much time head? 455 and tail 545. Based on this experiment, the empirical probability of head, હવે હેડની મારે empirical probability કરવી હોય તો પ્રોબેબિલિટીનો P event, કોઈ પણ ઘટના બને ને ઇંગ્લિશમાં we can say event, is equal to already 9th standard 455 upon 1000, that is 0.455. Clear everyone? It is related with the 9th standard ની અંદર આવું આપણે ભણી ગયા છે. Now we go further. So if head is 455 હોય તો tail કેટલું હોય તો કે 545. So હવે આપણે અગર tail ની probability find out કરવાની હોય event tail, તો 545 upon 1000 is equal to 0.545. Now આ એક એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ છે, બટ 18th સેન્ચુરીની અંદર ઇન 18th સેન્ચુરી ફ્રેન્ચ નેચરલિસ્ટ કોમ્ટી દી બુફેન tossed 4400 times and got 2048 head. શું કર્યું એને? 4040 ટાઈમ ટોસ કર્યું તો એને હેડ કેટલા મળ્યા? 2048. So now if I want to find out the probability, શું થઈ જશે? 2048 upon 4040. તો probability કેટલી આવે છે? That is 0.507, मतलब 50%. If you will go through, હવે આનો આપકો એમ કે 0.5 probabilities છે, તો આને પરસેન્ટમાં કરો તો we can say 50%. 0.507 હોય તો કોઈ કે પરસેન્ટમાં કરો તો we can say 50%. So what is the overview? આનો ઓવરવ્યુ શું જોવા મળે કે ચાન્સ ઓર પ્રોબેબિલિટી હેવે ચાન્સ, આપણે જેને કહે છે ચાન્સ, એ કેટલું જનરલી હોય છે? 50-50%. અત્યારે 50-50% બધી જગ્યાએ છે. તો that is experimental by Buffet. Experiment by Buffet. One more scientist, બીજો એક સાયન્ટિસ્ટ આવ્યો, એને શું કરી નાખ્યું? GE carriage from Britain recorded 5067 head in 10,000 time toss. એના કરતાં ઓર એક માણસ હોય તો એને કેટલી વાર ટોસ કર્યું? He tossed 10,000 times. How much time? 10,000 time toss કર્યું. Now अगर any probability find out करी तो again 0.506. और एना પછી और one scientist statistician Carl Person some more time making 24,000 times. હવે કેટલી time આવી ગયું? 24,000 times. So one experiment 1000 નો કર્યું, એક સાયન્ટિસ્ટે 1000 experiment કર્યો, બીજા એક સાયન્ટિસ્ટે 4,400 times કર્યું, ત્રીજા એક સાયન્ટિસ્ટે 10,000 time કર્યું, અને પછી એક સાયન્ટિસ્ટ આવે ને કેટલી વાર કર્યું? 24,000 times. Carl Person એ 24,000 time toss કર્યું. Then so 1 2 0 1 2 upon 24,000. So again probability is equal to 0.5005. So you will imagine that every time 50-50% chance is there. You see that 12,012 heads. So chance is again 50-50. Clear everyone or not? Now it is related with the information. આ બધી information છે probability ના હવે chance ના reference માં આપણે discuss કરીએ. Now theoretically some statement with the probability ની થોડી theoretically statement આપણે discuss કરી શકીએ. So let us consider the following situation. Suppose a coin is tossed at random. We know in advance that coin can only land in one of two possible ways, either head or tail. કાસુ આવી જશે, head આવી જાય, કાસુ આવી જાય, tail. Either head or tail. કોઈ કે સર એને ઊભું રાખી શકે, it is not possible. We dismiss the possibility of its landing on its edge, which may be possible, for example, if it is fall on sand. માટીમાં જો હું કોઈન નાખ્યું તો એ ઊભો પડે, પણ આપણે એવું ડિસ્કસ કરવાનું નથી. We can reasonably assume that each outcomes either head or tail. Head or tail. So likely to be either head or tail, but outcomes. So theoretically probability is now. Theoretically probability is also called classical probability. And event no. E લખવાનો classical probability or theoretical probability, we can say P. So PE is equal to number of outcomes favorable to event and total number of all possible outcomes of event. So what we are writing at here, we can say n number of outcomes and total number of outcomes, not n T naught. Number of outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. What we have to write? Or we can say NT by TT. We also say NT upon TT. NT means what? Number of trials, and TT means total trial. We can also say number of trial and total trial. I am taking this lesson why? Because where તમારો સિલેબસ છે 30% reduce થઈ ગયો, but this must be asked in exam. આ એક્ઝામમાં આવે જ, that is why I am doing. So clear everyone now? Always remember NT upon TT, number of trials divided by total trial. So now one more slides we have to go. હવે Siemens Laplace, one person is there. Probability theory had its origin in the 16th century. આ પ્રોબેબિલિટીનો ઉદ્ભવ ક્યાં થયો? તો કે 16th centuryની અંદર થયો છે. વેર ઇટ ઇઝ? 16th centuryની અંદર થયો છે. ઇટાલિયન ફિઝિશિયન, mathematician Carl Dehn wrote the first book of subject. We are discussing about the history of probability. અત્યારે આપણે કેની વિશે ચર્ચા કરીએ છીએ? History of probabilities discuss કરું છું. So, Italian physician and mathematician J. Cardan wrote the first book of the subject, the book of games of chance. So, casinos ને foreign countries માં બહુ બધા રમાતા હોય. તો એના રેફરન્સમાં આ ટોપિક છે, book of games of chance. Since its inception, study of probability has attracted the attention of great mathematician James Bernoulli. The movie and Siemens Laplace are among those who made significant contribution to this field. Probability ઉપર ત્રણ માણસોનું વધારે યોગદાન છે. એમાં બર્નોલી ઇક્વેશન પણ આવે છે અને લાપ્લાસ. If you go for engineering line, any other different calculations are there. On that time, they are using this Bernoulli equation and Laplace. So, Laplace theory analytical the probabilities in 1812 is considered to be the great contribution of single person to the theory of probability. So, Laplace ne વધારે યાદ કરે છે. So, these are all the information. Now, where we are using recently, in recent years, the probability has been used extremely in many areas like biology, economic, genetic, physics and sociology. બધી જગ્યાએ અત્યારે યુઝ થઈ રહ્યું છે. Now, again, probability means again बात करें છે क्या क्या we are using, where we are using, have been used in biology, economy, genetic, physics and sociology. Two important scientists, Laplace theorem and Bernoulli. So these are all the history related probability. Now, key point related with the theoretically points of, afterward we can start the exercise. પછી આપણે exercise ને start કરશું. Theoretically, probability of the event E can be written in PE. આપણે કેવી રીતે લખીએ છીએ ને PE લખીએ છીએ. PE is equal to number of outcomes favorable to E divided by number of all possible outcomes of the experiment. So, આપણે અહીં લખી શકીએ NT upon TT. We can write sum of probabilities of all elementary event of the experiment is 1. હમણાં આપણે એક જગ્યાએ જોયું હતું કે PE is equal to 0.45 હતું, P1 E1 and E2 event હતી, that is 0.55 હતું. So if I will add this, then 0.45 plus 0.55, it should be 1. So always event must be, event જે છે એ કેના રેફરન્સમાં રહેતું હોય, it should be 1. Now we go through detail. હવે આપણે એને ડિટેલમાં કરશું. So second point, sum of probability of the elementary event is 1. Probability of the sure event are 1 marks માં પૂછે, because in this lesson you have a 1 marks question and 2 marks only, no 3 and 4 marks question. Probability of all impossible event is 0. Always remember, impossible event 0, possible event that is 1. Sum of probability of all elementary event of experiment is 1. So here we have to remember NT divided by TT. Now one complementary word is there. If you will get PE is equal to, if you will get PE is equal to 0.3. Then PE bar you will get 0.7. It is called complementary event. What we can say? Complementary event. Complementary event is what? PE plus PE bar is equal to 1. Probability of event in the number E must be E કેની વચ્ચે હોય? It should be between 0 to 1. કોઈ પણ probability ની event હોય, it should be between 0 to 1. Now we go to next slide. Okay, so we want to go for next slide. I think some mistakes are there related with the slide, but we have to go for next. So now in next, what we have to plan? Next slide is related with the next slide છે કેના રેફરન્સમાં છે? તો here probability of event हमने तो बात થઈ, it is between 0 to 1. હવે there are different type of sum. એમાં अलग अलग sum આવશે. One sum is with the card. બીજા કેના sums આવશે? કાર્ડના sum આવશે. હવે કાર્ડના sums આવશે એના રેફરન્સમાં again there are 52 cards. How many cards are there? 52 cards. Always કેટલા cards લેતા હોય? 52 cards. Out of 52 cards you have to, જ્યારે મારી જોડે ભણતા હોય ત્યારે તમારે વિડીયો જોવા, તમે you have to write it now. લખતું જવાનું. Red cards and black cards. So in red card again 2. In black card again 2. In red card you know that spade, sorry here it is heart, H, and diamond. And black card it is spade and club. So red card again 52 cards are there. So 26 red, 26 black. Again 13 for club in black, again 13 for spade. Again 26 card, so heart has 13 cards, diamonds are 13 card, spades are 13 card, and club are 13 card. Total 52 cards are there. So card of each suit of ace, king, queen and jack. These are all the face card. Ace, king, queen and jack. These are all the face card. So king, queen and king are called face card. So total 12 face cards are there. એમાં કેટલા face card હોય છે? 12 face card હોય છે. Again ફરી પાછું કાર્ડ્સના રેફરન્સમાં 52 cards, 26 red, 26 black, red and black. Now red ની અંદર 26 માં 13 જે છે that is heart and 13 છે that is diamond. It is with the red card. આ બધા red card. હવે black card ની અંદર કોને કરશું? તો કે 13 for spade and 13 for club. And 12 face card. Face card કેટલા હોય છે? 12. Which are there? તો કે king, queen and jack. આના સૌથી વધારે આપણે ન્યુમેરિકલ્સ કરવાના છે. અને પછી આવશે ડાઇસ. સો ડાઇસના રેફરન્સમાં વાત કરીએ તો if you will say one cube is there, ક્યુબ હોય તો એની ઉપર ફેસ 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 face are there. So in one dice it is 6 face are there. So dice ના રિફરન્સમાં sums આવશે, કાર્ડ્સ ના રિફરન્સમાં sums આવશે અને કોઈન ના રિફરન્સમાં sum આવે. આટલા sums આની અંદર આપણે કરવાના છે. Now we go for next slide. So now one exercise we are discussing related with that. These are all because in this lesson 1 marks questions are there. Probability of event and probability of complementary event. Always answer is 1 I have to write. હમણાં આપણે વાત થઈ છે કે complementary event અને event, it is called complementary event. Probability of event that cannot happen, the answer હતો 0. Such such an event is called. So probability cannot happen, we can say 0. Is called impossible event. એને શું કહેવામાં આવે છે? Impossible. Now if we get answer 1, happen. Probability of event that certain to be happen is called certain event or possible event. Already we have discussed in about points, key points. એની અંદર આવી ગયા છે બધા. Sum of probability of all elementary event of experiment is 1. એનો total answer કેવો થતો હોય? 1. Probability of event is greater than or equal to 0, greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 1. So these are all the sum related with the exercise 15.1. Now question number 2. A driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not start. So question is, which of the following expression have quickly like to be outcomes? એમાં outcomes chance કેમાં છે? બરાબર? તો outcomes are not equally likely. First, since the car may or may not start, thus outcomes are not equally likely. Driver attempt to start a car. The car start or does not start. Second, player attempt to shoot a basketball. She or he shoots or miss the shoot. તો આમાં પોસિબલ છે આઉટકમ્સ. બરાબર? આઉટકમ્સ આર નોટ બી ઇક્વલી લાઇકલી, બે સરખા હશે નહીં. જેમ ફર્સ્ટમાં કેમ હોય? મે ઓર મે નોટ, તો નોટ ઇક્વલી લાઇકલી. આમાં એમ છે મે શૂટ, મિસ ધ શૂટ. સો આઉટકમ્સ આર નોટ ઇક્વલી લાઇક. In advance, it is known that answer is to be either right or wrong. So outcomes, right or wrong, are equally like to be occur. In advance, it is known the newborn baby has to be either boy or girl. So એમાં chances હોય તો equally likely occur કહી શકીએ. Next, if we are tossing a coin considered to be a fair way of deciding which team should be get the ball at beginning of football game. Since on tossing a coin, outcomes head or tail are equally likely, the result of tossing a coin completely unpredictable. So it is a fair way. આપણે predict કરી શકીએ નહીં. Now question number 6, 4, 5, 6, write yourself. Bag contain lemon flavor candies only. Malini takes out one candy without looking into bag. What is the probability that she take orange? હવે બેગની અંદર કેવી ફ્લેવર છે? લેમન ફ્લેવર છે. માલિનીએ પ્રોબેબિલિટી પૂછી છે ઓરેન્જની, તો ઓરેન્જ માટે E1 is equal to orange flavor candy. So PE1, orange candy flavor chances છે 0 because in it there is no orange flavor candy. Now second is E2. Now P E2. A lemon flavor candy. Already a bag contain only lemon. So we can say answer is 1. So such type of questions they are asked. It is too much easy. Question number 7. It is given that In a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that 2 students have the same birthday? So if you will minus 1 minus 0.992, you will get, because you will know that it is given that a group of 2 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday, એનો સેમ બર્થડે છે નહીં. તો સેમ બર્થડે હોવાનો ચાન્સ કેટલો? તો પ્રોબેબિલિટી ઇઝ તો 1 minus 0.992, or we can say complementary level. So 0.118. So that is answer. So these are all the easy sum. Now here a bag contains 3 red balls and 5 balls. A ball is drawn random from bag. What is the probability that ball is red? So first of all, total probability we have to find out right here. Total outcomes is equal to 3 plus 5, that is 8. Now ball is drawn random from the bag. So red, now if I will say red is equal to E1, red event is equal to E1. So red event is even, then P E1 is equal to, red is, how many red balls are there? 3. So 3 upon 8. Now PE2, that is for not red. So that is E2. So not red means 5 balls are there. So I have to write 5 upon 8. Such type of easy sums are there. Now again one box, 5 red, 8 white and 12 green. So if I will total it, so 5 plus 8 plus 4, that is 12, plus 5, that is 7. See, total outcomes is 17. Now if I want to find out the red, so if I will find out the red, then what I have to do? Red, if I want to find out the red, then I have to write it E1. Here it is E2. Here it is E3. So E2, for E2 purpose, that is red. So E1, that is E1 is equal to, now for red, how many reds are there? 5. So I have to write 5 upon 17. Now for E2, that is white. How many whites are there? 8. So 8 upon 17. Now not green. So I have to remove these for not green. So E3 is equal to not green. So 4 minus. So 5 plus 8, that is 13 upon 17. So these are type of easy sums are there. Only one exercise. So it is too much easy. We can do all the sum easily. So it is sufficient today. We can go for next lecture. I think 3 to 4 lecture we can go through this lesson, because we don't want to waste our time related with the probability. Again, probability should be asked in 11th science also, 12th science also, 11th commerce, 12th commerce. So you have to go through it deeply. And I think all are well at home. બધાએ પોતાની હેલ્થને પહેલાં સાચવવાની છે, અને ખાસ તો એમાં ડાયટ્સ ઉપર તમારે ફોલોઅપ લેવું જોઈએ, અને ડુ સમ મોર એક્ટિવિટી રિલેટેડ વિથ સમ, તમને જે મનગમતી વસ્તુ હોય એની એક્ટિવિટી તમારે આમાં કરવી જોઈએ. નાઉ ઇફ યુ વિલ કમ્પ્લીટ ધીસ, યુ હેવ ટુ કમ્પ્લીટ ધીસ ઇન એ ફેર બુક ઓલ્સો. તમારાને કેમાં કમ્પ્લીટ કરી નાખવાનું છે? ફેર બુકમાં પણ કમ્પ્લીટ કરવાનું છે.